Hello friends, and welcome back to my vintage farmhouse kitchen. Spring is almost here in late February in Texas. The weather has been beautiful outside. And on this video, I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning in our farmhouse. I'm also going to be putting out some spring decor touches and also working with some very simple flower arrangements, both real flowers and artificial flowers. So if this interests you, I invite you to join me for this video and I hope you enjoy. My youngest daughter loves to help me decorate for all the seasons. And so she was so excited that we were finally putting away the Valentine's decor and bringing out our tote boxes with our spring decor. Springtime here in Texas is always a beautiful season. I love it so much. There's so many things I love about it. Now, what I don't love about it is knowing that summer is around the corner, because our summers are not beautiful. We have intense heat during the summer, but I do love spring. And here in Texas, we have the blue bonnets and the Indian paintbrush, and that's always a glorious sight to behold. For probably close to 10 years now, my daughters and I have been wearing Lila Rose hair accessories, especially the Flexi Clip, which comes in 7 sizes for all thicknesses of hair and hair textures. These are so durable. We have never had one break. The company also sells headbands and bobby pins, hair sticks, and more, as well as some beauty essentials for the hair like hair serum, hair mask, and rose water spray. I will put the link in the description below if you are interested in checking out these beautiful hair accessories. Lila Rose aims to provide customers with hair care tools that make everyone feel happy and confident no matter what their hair type. There's just something about spring that motivates me to clean my house. I love to open up the windows and to make things clean and to use good smelling scents such as this Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle spray or burn a candle. I just love to I think of spring as like a fresh new start, and it kind of puts a spring in my step. My mother gave me this beautiful springtime basin and pitcher, and here you can see I am putting a little plant in a planter. This is something I found at Kroger's grocery store. It had a pink wrapper around it for Valentine's, and after Valentine's they were clearancing it out, so I think I paid $3 or something like that for it, and it looks so pretty in that pot. And here I have a some kind of a vessel here, a metal farmer's market tin, I guess, and I got that years ago. I want to say it had to be Walmart or Hobby Lobby, and here I am just sticking some faux flowers in it that definitely are bright and cheery for spring. I had to kind of stick something down in there to get the height that I was looking for, and just added in a little bit of extra. I want to say I got these picks from the Dollar Tree that I'm adding in here at the end. The main one I got, I want to say, in Ohio, and then these were just little extras to add a little more fullness around the edges. Here I am doing some more spring cleaning, dusting at the top of this. This is a desk that we bought at IKEA many years ago, and we use it as our medicine cabinet basically. We put all our essential oils in there, kind of an apothecary cabinet, and I just gave it a good dusting and put that arrangement up on the top. As I tidy up our family room, I think of the quote by Puritan poet Anne Bradstreet. She wrote, "If we had no winter, the spring would not be so pleasant. If we did not sometimes taste adversity, prosperity would not be so welcome." The Bible tells us that there is a time and a season for every activity under heaven. It says for everything there is a season and a time for every matter under heaven. I already had this little small lavender wreath from Hobby Lobby, and I added a little cross and some tiny pink flower stems and made kind of a new wreath, a new look for this spring. Here's our little Finley, who always wants to be right at our side whatever we are doing. I'm hanging a banner. My husband and I went on a marriage cruise with Family Life Ministries years ago, and I picked this up from the line Ever Thine Home. It says, "I am the resurrection and the life," and then once Easter comes, you turn it over, and I think it says, "He is risen" on the other side. My little daughter was putting up a brass teapot on our open shelves. I had dried these oranges at Christmas time and left that one hanging there on that little plant because I enjoyed it so much, but it definitely was time to bring down the oranges. For Valentine's, my husband gave me a beautiful bouquet of flowers, and many of them were wilted and not looking good, but some of them were salvageable. So I decided to take out the ones that still looked perky and make a new arrangement. Do you ever do this? Do you take the old ones out and continue on with the ones that are still good? I think it's always good to give the flowers fresh water anyway, so it definitely makes sense to just create a new little smaller bouquet. And here is a quick look at how some of the house turned out with some spring decor touches added. Lucy Maud Montgomery, author of Anne of Green Gables, wrote, "That is one good thing about this world. There are always sure to be more springs." Here I am just adding a still life picture that I found at Hobby Lobby. I really like the way the colors draw out the touches of green in my cottage kitchen. And here I am filling a basket that I thrifted with some straw and adding some fruit that I thrifted also. I think I got that at a ministry thrift store, and I just needed the straw to give it some height because otherwise you couldn't see. And then here's a little vignette I put together on a cutting board in the kitchen, and everything is looking fresh, clean for springtime. Thank you for coming to visit in the farmhouse, and I would love to hear in the comments below, what is it that you are looking forward to in springtime? I hope that you will like and subscribe so you don't miss future content like this. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye, friends.